So once you have the image, placed or rectified, you basically just go to your Project Explorer and select the image, right click, and you can use the import vector PDF data command. What this will do is it'll let you select the image you want. You can choose some different options like to not dash or join dash lines. I want to join them and just discard any raw data. I want to preserve the native PDF layer. So if the layer structure was in this PDF and saved with the PDF, the way that the CAD file was created, such as, like the property line was on a property line layer and the existing contours were on an existing contour layer, those layers would also come into Business Center and be created as they were in CAD. A lot of times you'll find vector PDFs such as this one that don't contain or have that layer information. So when you can still tell it to preserve, and if the layers are there, they'll come in, but if they're not, you'll see what's going to happen. Basically is they're going to be grouped by layer style. So when I click import, it'll take a second here and it's going to convert all that PDF vector data into vector information. So now you'll see what I get here. If I go over to my view filter manager, you can see that the layers are here. They're prefixed with a PDF, so that I know that they came from the PDF. And you'll see that they're joined, or they're identified and created based on a particular style. So it tries to match and colorize, or match it by color and possibly thickness of the line information that existed in the PDF, which came from the original CAD file that created the PDF. So this is what we get in this particular case. So in this, following videos, I'm going to show you how best I would manage a situation like this.